In front of me is ARCHOS Diamond Gamma, and let me show you how to activate spell checker on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select other system settings, and here you will notice language and input methods. Smoothly click on it, and here click on spell checker. So just by tapping on this switcher you can activate or deactivate it. Under language you can pick the language that you would like to have your spell checker in. So if you would like to switch it from the system language to, for example, Greek, just mark it, and now spell checker will work in Greek. Obviously you can change it to Croatian or any other language that you have right here, but I would like to stay with system language, and that's it. So that will be all. This is how you can activate or deactivate spell checker. Also how you can pick the language of your spell checking feature. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.